Always remember to honor and love your parents.
Prophet ﷺ said, always speak to them with kindness and respect.
Prophet Mokan said, parents are the greatest blessing given by Allah.
The Prophet Muhammad said, listen and obey their good advice. The Prophet Haifav said, good treatment of parents brings blessings in this life. The Prophet Honda said, never forget to honor and love your parents always.
Prophet Samsaka said, Al-Abul, an immense reward in the hereafter is granted.
The prophets in Jaffa said, even small acts of help show respect and love for your parents. The Prophet Thaftan said, honor and respect your parents every single day.
The Prophet Samtiyev said, helping them, even in small matters, brings reward.
Did you why? The Prophet Muhammad said, never speak harshly or show disrespect to them.
The Prophet said, the pleasure of Allah lies in the pleasure of your parents.
May Allah bless all parents abundantly.
The Prophet Muhammad said, always pray to Allah for blessings and forgiveness for your parents.